Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to take you through some basic terms of geometry. This is the second part of the video. The first part is already there on the channel, so please go to Learner Junction and check it out. We have already learnt about the basic terms of geometry in the last video. Let us quickly revise them. A point. It has no magnitude, that is, it has no length, breadth or height. It is denoted by a dot and marked by a single capital letter. For example, the point A. A line. It extends indefinitely in both directions, hence its length cannot be measured. A ray has one fixed endpoint and it continues endlessly from the other direction. A line segment has two fixed endpoints, so its length can be measured and it has a definite length. A solid has a surface which may be flat or curved. Here you can see a notebook page or a TV screen. They both have flat surfaces. However, a football has a curved surface. So all flat surfaces are called plane surfaces, or simply we call them a plane. So now let us define what a plane is. A plane is a flat surface which extends indefinitely in all directions. Since it is a flat surface, hence it will have only length and breadth, but it will have no thickness. A plane thus cannot be drawn completely on a paper. In practice, we can only draw a portion of the plane on the paper, and it is represented either by a rectangle or by a parallelogram. So now when you know the definition of a plane, you should also know how to name the plane. To name a plane, we will take three distinct points on it. Let these points be A, B and C. We can name the plane simply as plane ABC, but remember, these points should not be in a straight line. You can also name the plane by using a small letter of the English alphabets. So we can name this as plane X. Here you can see a scale. Let us draw the lines L and M on the edges of the scale. These two lines will never meet, however far they may be extended. Such lines are called parallel lines. So now let us consider two lines AB and CD, which do not meet each other, however far they are extended. These lines will be called parallel lines and they do not have any point of intersection. They are denoted by AB parallel to CD. Railway lines are a perfect example of parallel lines. These tracks, they never meet each other. Also, you must have seen gymnastics working on parallel bars. Now look around yourself and try to find other examples of parallel lines. Let us consider a line L and another line M, which cuts this line at the point O. Then we will say that the lines L and M are intersecting lines. The point where they cross each other is called the point of intersection. Now here you can see two lines intersecting each other at the point O. Can we draw other lines passing through the point O? Let us try. Yes, we can see that we can draw many lines passing through the point O. Thus we can conclude that many lines can be drawn passing through one given point. We have learnt that many lines can be drawn passing through a given point. If we have three or more lines which pass through a given point, then those lines are called concurrent lines. For example, here you can see the lines L, M and N passing through the point P. Such lines are called concurrent lines and P is called the point of concurrence. We have seen that we can draw many lines passing through a point. Let us consider a point P. And let us draw lines passing through the point P. Now let us take another point Q and draw lines passing through the point Q. Now we want to draw a line which passes through both points P and Q. Can you draw any other line except the red line shown here which passes through both P and Q? No. We can see that there is only one line which joins the point P and Q, or we can say which passes through two given points P and Q. Thus we conclude that one and only one line can be drawn passing through two different given points in a plane. We have learned that one and only one line can be drawn passing through two given points. Let us consider 2 points A and B. We can draw a line L passing through these points A and B. Now if a point C also lies on the same line as A and B, then we can see that the points A, B, C are all in the same straight line. Such points are called collinear points. The word collinear comes from the words col and linear. Col means together and linear means lines. So collinear means points together in a line. Here we can see the points A, B and C are all together in the same straight line. These points are collinear points and the line on which they lie is called the lines of collinearity. Let us consider 3 points A, X and Y and try to join them in a single straight line. Can we do it? No. We can join 2 points in a straight line, but the third point does not lie on this line. So, such points which do not lie in the same straight line are said to be non-collinear points. Thus, we can define that if 3 points are not in the same straight line, then those points are non-collinear points. Here we can see the points A, X and Y are. In this video, you learned about the basic terms of geometry. To see more such videos, keep following the channel Learner Junction and subscribe to it. Thank you.